Okay, ma, please let me know whether my screen is visible or not.
Yes, sir. It's visible, sir.
Okay, fine. I think ఈ రోజు మనం ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎండ్ చేద్దాం. We can make it as last day for project, and I will share this also. Only thing is you need to do practice also, so that you can get more thing. సో మనము ఎక్కడ వరకు చేసామంటే జస్ట్ టెల్ యూ. సుస్మిత, మనం ఎక్కడ వరకు చేసాము చెప్పవా? సుస్మిత, మనం ఎంతవరకు చేసాము? హలో, తెలీదా సుస్మిత? అభిరామి, ఎంతవరకు చేసాము ఐడియా ఉందా?
సార్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ ఇవన్నీ రివిజన్ చేసాం సార్ నిన్న. అండ్ దెన్
ఎక్స్టెంట్ రిపోర్ట్ పెట్టాము.
ఎస్ సార్. అండ్ దాంట్లో ఉండే ఒక పార్ట్ తీసుకొని ఏమన్నా లింక్ తీసుకొని దాన్ని టెస్టింగ్ చేసి
ఇవన్నీ హోవర్ అవుతున్నా లేదు చూసాం కదా ఫస్ట్.
ఎస్ సార్.
తర్వాత బుక్ అపాయింట్మెంట్ క్లిక్ చేసి ఇదంతా ఫిల్ చేసాం.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఫిల్ చేసి సబ్మిట్ కొట్టి ఫెయిల్ అయింది అంటే ఓటీపీ మనకు రాదు కాబట్టి. సో ఇదంతా అయిపోయింది. తర్వాత క్లోజ్ కూడా చేసాం. ఇది అయిపోయింది కదా. నౌ టుడే విల్ ఓపెన్ ఎనీ వన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. ఏది ఓపెన్ చేసినా ఒకటే రిజల్ట్ వస్తుంది. బుక్ అపాయింట్మెంట్ కానీ, బుక్ హెల్త్ చెకప్ కానీ, కన్సల్ట్ ఆన్లైన్ కానీ, బై మెడిసిన్ కానీ, అంతే కదా. సో ఇప్పుడు విల్ కంటిన్యూ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద థర్డ్ టెస్ట్ కేస్, రైట్? So buy medicine, if we click on buy medicine, what is happening? We got it here. Means it open new window. Antena kada. We need to switch to this window. We need to switch to this window. And again, I need to search something. Ikkada manam we need to search something. Ikkada enter chesam anukondi. For example, pedicure or Nivea. If you enter that Nivea, I'm getting these products or not. You got it? And whenever I add to cart, whether we got this button or view the cart or not. Whenever I click the view cart, it's open this page or not. You got it? ఇదంతా చూద్దాం ఈరోజు. అంతే కదా, ఆటోమేషన్ టెస్టింగ్ we need to do this. అట్లా ప్రతిదీ చెయ్యాలా. సో ఇంతవరకు చేద్దాం ఈరోజు. This will be easy. That's not an issue. Okay. First, buy medicine. Whenever I click buy medicine, it's open this URL. Then I need to find this, right? I need to find this one touch. So now I will check the first one and I will add to the cart. First one I will find the price and I will add to the cart. Whenever I will add to the cart, I will have the view cart. Again, whenever I go to the view cart, I have the particular which I already saved, one touch, and that price is the same. You got it? So that's how I need to do. మీకు అర్థమైంది కదా మనం ఏం చేయాలో. ఈ బై మెడిసిన్ చూద్దాం. చాలా చేయొచ్చు మనం, బట్ ఏంటంటే రియల్గా ఒక 2-3 వేస్లో వీ కెన్ డూ ద టెస్టింగ్. Got it? So now I will do this, okay? I will create a class by medicine module, okay? As a class. అర్థమైంది కదా. సో now we'll continue from here. ఓకే నా విరామి, ఇక్కడ నుంచి కంటిన్యూ చేద్దాం. బై మెడిసిన్ మాడ్యూల్ @test. అర్థమైందా? పబ్లిక్ వాయిడ్ బై మెడిసిన్ టెస్ట్. We'll create this. So first what I need to do, I need to click buy medicine. Means I need to go inspect it. I need to check this ID BTN CCA button buy medicine. I want to extends test methods base, test ng base. Then I'll get the driver dot find element by dot ID dot click. So ఇది click చేసేసాం. Then we'll wait for some 1 second or 2 seconds. So we'll make will implement throws declaration for thread, right? That is completed. By medicine click చేసిన తర్వాత it will open new window, right? Means I want to switch to this window. Means first I want to get the thread ID. String main tab ID equal to driver dot get current window handle dot. So, okay, go and check the particular syntax which we already written. Form./handle tabs. We have this, right? First, I want to get the window handle, will get the tab ID. Next one will get the window handle, which is the main ID. So then we'll to switch into that particular window. I got it. So we need to get that the same way. So now we got the main ID, right? And we'll print the ID if you want. Main ID. So what is the main ID? We have this as a main ID. Now what I want to do, whenever I click it, okay, before clicking, I just want to get the main ID because we already opened the website. You already know that. Now I will get the list or iterator like this. I can get like this set of strings. Driver dot get window handles. Whenever I click it, whenever I click it, will get the next window. So now I will get the window handles at the set of strings, means more than one. First one is this one main ID tab. Second one is by medicine ID. Ante కదా రెండు వస్తాయి. We'll go to next one and we'll go to the by medicine ID. You got it? We'll go here. Means we switched here, right? From here, I need to search this. Go to inspect. First, click on this and find it. What is that? You see, it's the ID is a search product. You got it? We need to get it by ID, right? So go and copy paste the ID. Again, whenever you click it, whether ID is the same or not, check it again. ఎందుకంటే క్లిక్ చేసినప్పుడు మారిపోతుంది. So now ID is the search product only, but appearance is different. You got it? So we'll get the by default Horlex or Nivea, NIVEA. So we'll get that. So ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేద్దాం? Web element search input equal to driver dot find element by dot ID search product. Now search input dot send keys. మనం ఏం చేయాలి? Nivea పంపించాలి. We need to send the Nivea because we need to set the Nivea, NIVEA. NIVEA. We'll get this. We can send to anything also. Even in paracetamol testa. PARACETAMOL. You can enter paracetamol also. You'll get the paracetamol also, right? So అదే ఎంటర్ చేద్దాం. ఏమంటే పారాసెటమాల్ యాడ్ చేద్దాం. If you want to do that, we can do that. So we'll get the paracetamol only instead of Nivea. So we'll get that. So now, if you enter that keys, if you enter it, then we'll get the results. If you remove that, it might remove. If you enter it, we are getting the results, right? So we'll click all the results. I got it. We'll click all the results and see all the results. It will load for some time. Means it is taking some time. Remember this. This we need to do which wait? Explicit wait. We need to wait until, right? You know that syntax. Anyway, I will tell you, not an issue. That we need to do. Explicit wait we need to do. Basically, it is taking more time. That is fine. We can go with the current thing. Buy medicine and go to paracetamol and enter something. So we'll get the results. Now I want to buy the first one. Crozin tablets 10. You got it? when I enter something, I need to buy the first one, which is kerosene tablets, because I want to buy it or anything. You got it? Go to inspect and check this. So this is from product card. In product card, we have the divisions, which is GT. Again, we have HT. Again, we have JT. So basically, we have the number of divisions. This is the first division, and this is the second one. So basically, we have the list of items in this folder. Here we have product list, which is the list one, right? We can get this name by this, right? Inside UL, where ID equal to random. You got it? ID equal to random. Inside that we have list. So now we'll find the list of elements by ID random, okay? So we'll get list of web elements, medicines equal to driver dot find elements by dot ID. So basically we'll get the medicine only one because we have only one order list, right? Find element. Again from here we'll get the list of the LI kada. LI అంటే చాలా లిస్టులు ఉన్నాయి. Medicines. We'll get the medicine list tag which is UL. ఇక్కడ మనం మెడిసిన్స్ తీసుకుంటాం. Equal to medicine list tag dot find elements by dot tag name which is LI kada. Now you'll get the list of items. Now first I will store. So basically string name equal to I will store medicines of dot get first one. 0th index తీసుకుంటున్నా. Dot get text. I will store this first. Then I will click on it. So which is having add button, right? I will click on that particular add button. This is the main thing. Inside that we have button, which is add button. You got it? Class is set to df. Just check all the classes are dfs only. This is df. So inside this first one, I will find the element by df, right? Or area text by button. So we'll get the class by df. Now find it. A web element dot web element add button equal to medicines of get of 0 dot find element by dot idea class అది క్లాస్ రైట్ df ఇదంతా ఉంది. 1 second. ఓకే, ఇదంతా క్లాస్ లో ఉంది. సో వాట్ వి డు విల్ జస్ట్ ఫైండ్ ద బటన్ basically. Inside that we have only one button. Find by tag name. So this is how we'll get it. Now I want to click that button. అంతే కదా. Click. Then whenever I click it, it will add to the cart, right? Then now I need to click this cart. And then now I need to find this cart symbol where it is exactly. So click this and check this. So this is the cart icon, right? So this is the login button. This is the cart icon. So we'll find this class header 364. We'll find this class and Just refresh one more time whether it is the same or not, we'll check. Or we'll get the medicines card href equal to this one. You got it? Just to find it out. Slash at the rate of href equal to this one. Edit. We'll copy this, right? We'll find this href equal to. See, we are able to find this. We'll use this X path, okay? Web element cart button, right? Cart button equal to medicines. Medicines dot get off 0 dot find element by dot X path. Ante. Now we'll click that particular cart button dot click. So whenever we click it, it will open this. Now we need to find these elements whether we have this one or not. Ante kada. So now find all this. For example, I need to find this. These are there in this root tag. So everything will be in. So I will find this. Or I can find this. I can find these elements. Inside these elements, we have go and check it. Okay. Inspect this. We'll go right side. Okay. So go to this. So inside this, we have this one, and again this one, which is MRP. So I need to check the MRP, which is this one of the first element, right? Where the span will be there, that particular parent I want to go. So basically, I want to check this card list, this card list. So this card list I want to take. Go to check the XPath also, that is fine. If you want to check this, we'll get the XPath this one. From here means I want to check the XPath this one. This all. We can check this like this, or you can directly use the class and ID selector also if you want to do. So what I will be doing, I'm just checking this one. The same way, I'm just checking this URL. Then I will be finding that if it is having something kind of uh, paragraph, it is having some medicine product is actual price. So we need to check that actual price, whether it is equal or not. So this is the price one. This is the card details one. I want to check this. Got it? I will get the web element, uh, item card, and we'll get the from medicines dot get off 0 dot. Okay, no, we don't need to do that. So whenever we click it again, freshly we will open this page, right? It will freshly open the page. So we need to get the get element by ID. ఎందుకంటే ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఇది క్లిక్ చేసినప్పుడు కార్ట్ బటన్ ఫ్రెష్ గా ఓపెన్ అయింది ఈ పేజ్. కాబట్టి we need to directly find web element item equal to driver dot get element sorry, find element by dot class name. సో ఇది యాక్చువల్ ప్రైస్. ఈ డీటెయిల్స్ తీసుకున్నాము. Again, we'll get the web item of the price. Price item equal to item dot find element by dot class name. Find element. Then we need to check this. Assert dot assert equals to. So if we're having price here, what we need to do, go back and need to check that price and not. For example, if I entered paracetamol, For example, paracetamol. If I enter this one, I got the result. So this is the price I want to check, right? Then I can check this one also. Check this price tag basically. You got this price tag from this. From this particular class. We'll get this by this particular class. So what we'll do? We'll get web element actual price equal to medicines dot get of 0 dot sorry uh, dot find element by dot class name. We need to give the class name, right? Same class name will be given. So we got the same class name, actual price. Then we'll get as the, so this is the actual price. And what is the expected price? Price item dot, so go to cart and get this price item MRP. So we'll get the actual price, right? We'll get the actual price. This price item dot text, get text. Then we can able to get it. So that's how we need to do. That's all. You got it? Then just run now, whether it is working fine or not, we'll see. So it's saying element click interruption. Element is not clickable. So which element? By Mason test. We'll check why it's not clickable. Okay. Element not clickable. So we want to click buy medicine, right? So we need to find buy medicine. Go and check. This is the one CTA buy medicine dot click. Web element buy made button equal to this one. After this, we'll do dot click. We'll remove click here and let's see. And that's the string. Element click interruption. So we'll check why it's not clickable. So here we need to go and inspect it. This is biomedicine. Here we have ID which is biomedicine. We'll find by ID biomedicine. Driver dot find element by ID. So we'll just put debugger here as debug as test engine. Just check now. We see we have here. Go next. And we got the element or not. See, we have buy medicine button found by Chrome. Just try to click it. It is getting right. 1 second. We'll get by href. Let's check. We'll get by href because it's not clickable by export. Star at the rate of href equal to this one. Just check this one. Red dots. Yes. చెప్పండి సార్. సార్ నేను మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడతాను క్లాస్లో ఉంది. టెస్ట్ ఎంట్రీ. Yes, we got the element. So what we'll do by ID, we'll get by ID. You should get it. Run as test engine. Element is not kickable at point. So let's check. We'll just check this error and we'll just come back. Okay, we'll do actions. We'll do actions and let's see. So I will do actions of driver. So we'll import this actions, okay? And we'll do actions dot move to element of move to button. Let's check. We have actions class, right? Using actions class, we are doing this. Now just check. Yes, now we got it, right? Now see, I entered paracetamol and I added it. But somewhere it's failed, but it's not able to find this tail element basically because it is not working, right? I cannot find this. So how we can find this? So fine, how we can find that? We got it ఇంతవరకు అర్థమైంది కదా. So we got this till this point. Go there and find this element. For example, this one I want to find. We can directly find this one. Use XPath also, you can directly find this price. This is the actual price tag. You can directly find using XPath. So instead of that, you can directly find this using XPath. Now we'll just check actual and ikkada debugger పెడతా, right? So what I will do, I will put here expected equal to price item dot get text. సో ఇక్కడ నేను డీబగర్ పెట్టినప్పుడు ఐ విల్ గెట్ బోత్ అనమాట. సో ఐ విల్ డీబగ్ యాస్ టెస్ట్ ఎంజిన్. ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం, ఓకేనా? ఓపెన్ అయింది. అది ఓపెన్ చేశాను. సో పారాసెటమాల్ సెర్చ్ చేశాను. ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఎక్కడ ఫెయిల్ అయింది. సో ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు ఫెయిల్ అయిందో చూద్దాం. సో బేసిక్ ద స్టేల్ ఎలిమెంట్ నాట్ ఫౌండ్ ఇన్ ద కరెంట్ ఫ్రేమ్. సో బై మెడిసిన్ ఇక్కడ మనం డీబగ్ గ్యాస్ చేద్దాం. టెస్ట్ ఎంజిన్ ఆర్ వీ కెన్ డూ దిస్. Run as test engine. We'll do search, and that is completed, that is added, that is failed. Somewhere it's failing, we need to do that. So this is the car's detail list. We are not able to find this, right? Because that is changing every time. ఎందువల్లంటే దాని ID every time change అవుతుంది కాబట్టి you cannot able to find that. So what we'll do, we'll go back and find this. For example, pedicure ఉంది. First I will find this by XPath. But I want to find this price, okay? This is the XPath for this. So what I want to do, I want to store here only, where before entering into the search product. So whenever I enter search product, here only I will get this, right? Add button and everything. So before clicking add button, I will store actual price equal to driver dot find element by dot XPath. ఇక్కడ నేను XPath ఇచ్చేస్తా దానికి. So dot get text. అంతే కదా, we got actual price here only. ఇక్కడ మనకు అవసరం లేదు. So just remove this. Actual price expected go we'll see, okay? Expected price we'll get from where? From cart, right? We'll go to cart. Just disable this and go to cart. I want the expected price of the first one. So just copy, because we have only one item at that time, remember it. So we have this B, which is expected price. Driver dot get element, sorry, find element by dot XPath. Dot get text. You got it? First I will print both expected and actual. Expected price, actual price. What I will do, I will print before, okay? Expected price, actual price. అంతే. నౌ జస్ట్ చెక్. అర్థమైంది కదా? ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం అంతవరకు వెళ్ళి. సో నౌ ఇట్స్ సెర్చింగ్ ఫర్ పారాసెటమాల్. ఫస్ట్ తీసుకున్నాము, we stored it. After that we added to the Add button. దీన్ని యాడ్ చేయలేదా బటన్ కి? జస్ట్ చెక్. So what we are doing here, no such element, which element? Okay. So if I create this trivia, so this is what we'll get. Or even if I enter paracetamol, so we'll get these results, right? It's already added, that's fine. So we need to find this one. This is the button. This one I want to do. I want to check. So go and click this. This is the add button. What I want to do, first one. So I will click it. So whenever that is clicked, that will click. After this, I want to get the actual price of it. So this is the actual price, right? I will get the actual price of it. So this is the one. Let's try. Or we can go to the child and parent selectors. Okay. We'll go to list and its child parent, which is having that. We'll go there. And we'll check. It's failed basically where. So not but found. See, it is having 70, but it found 20. Why? So just check. For example, I expected is 17.60 but found 20. Why? Just check. Okay, now paracetamol. If I enter paracetamol, we got this crocin, right? I will just add it. Go to cart. I will remove all the elements which is not required. Remove and remove. So now basically to pay total. So total amount to pay is 13.6. We'll wait for some time. I'll see. Okay. Expected 17 but got 20. Why? We'll check. Okay. We'll wait for some time. Red dot sleep of 10 seconds. Then check. కాసేపు 10 seconds ఆగి చూద్దాం. మనకు తెలియదు కదా ఏమొస్తుంది ఏం చేస్తుందని. Then we'll see. ఓకే, నేను ఇది తీసుకున్నా, ఇది తీసుకోవాలి. అర్థమైంది కదా? టోటల్ కార్ట్ అనేది ఇది తీసుకున్నా 20. సో అందువల్ల అది వచ్చింది. నేను ఇది తీసుకోవాలి టు పే ఆర్ ఐ వాంట్ టు గెట్ ఇట్. సో అది పరిస్థితి. సో ఇది తీసుకున్నా. సో ఐ గాట్ దిస్ వన్. సో ఐ వాంట్ టు గెట్ దిస్, రైట్? దిస్ వన్ ఐ వాంట్ టు గెట్. దీన్ని విల్ గెట్ ద this one. This is the one. Then we can check. So expected price. So just copy this one. Now just check and click it. Okay. ఇది 17.6 వచ్చింది. ఇది 17.60 వచ్చింది. So what we'll do, we'll get contents basically. Asset. True. So what actual expected కదా? Expected this one, actual this one. actual dot contains of expected price. ఎందుకంటే ఆ జీరోస్ మనం we cannot get it right. ఆ జీరో omit అవ్వడం వల్ల మనకు తెలియదు కదా what is happening. So that's why we'll make it like that. పాస్, నో ఫెయిల్యూర్స్ కదా, పాస్ అయిపోయింది. సో 10 సెకండ్స్ కాదు, మనం 2 సెకండ్స్ పెడదాం. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఫైన్. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేద్దాం అంటే టెస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే ఆన్ టెస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ ఎక్స్టెంట్ రిపోర్ట్లో టెస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. టెస్ట్ నేమ్ విల్ గెట్ ద డీబగ్గర్ హియర్ బై మెడిసిన్ కదా. ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది? అది డిఫాల్ట్ టెస్ట్ బై మెడిసిన్ నుంచి వచ్చింది. సో బై టెస్ట్ కంటెక్స్ట్. సో ఓకే, డిఫాల్ట్ టెస్ట్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చిందంటే ఇన్ టెస్ట్ సూట్ డాట్ ఎక్స్ఎంఎల్ we have sample test which is a default test. So that is where we're getting. Finally we'll just move on. You can see how it's running. It's already running and created that particular thing and it's checking. Again pass it because it's a dead debugger. You see it's completed, it's passed. You see in project, in target, 1 second guys. Hello.